Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from the studio on Wall Street. And I'm in a great mood. You know why? Because this guy's got my back. And not only does he have my back, we all know that we're 4 days away removed from the greatest fight of our generation, and I can't wait. But we'll have to wait, because it's time for something else. That's right, it's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed. You know what time it is, grab yourself a drink. It's happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks so far seeing another seesaw session Tuesday afternoon over at the New York Stock Exchange, with stocks fluctuating between gains and losses throughout the session amid earnings and economic reports. Let's first begin on the economic front. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Survey results for April coming in at 95.2. However, that read of 95.2 was below expectations, calling for a rise. Meanwhile, the S&P Case-Shiller 20 City Composite gaining 5% year over year in February, compared to a 4.5% increase back in January. At the same time, investors still focused on the FOMC as the two-day Fed meeting got underway this afternoon, with a conclusion and a post-meeting statement, of course, tomorrow. Investors paying attention, well, extra attention that is, to any comments from the Fed hinting as to when it might hike interest rates. As expected, as is always the case. And with oil futures pairing gains after earlier rising to settle up 7 cents above $57 a barrel, gold futures up $10.70, and the U.S. dollar continuing to slide against the euro, you have yourself a session where for every 3 advancers, 2 declined over at the stock exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this trading session. And on the corporate front, we have to talk about Twitter. Its shares resuming trading this afternoon, down right now about 20%. The company releasing its earnings early after shares were halted following a 5.5% plunge on online reports that its earnings may have been leaked. The social media company reporting a beat on earnings but a miss on revenue, as well as a lower 2015 full-year expectations. Guidance on second quarter revenue for Twitter, about $100 million lower than expectations. So there you have it. Kick back, relax. You want more corporate news? Check out the Market Movers report from earlier. And again, 4 days. 4 days away. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.